Welcome back to the Moss VW channel, and we've got this lovely blue bay window in for the past couple of days. It's a customer that's been with us for a few years, and we did a lot of fitment and bits and pieces on it, built the engine, and today we're going to be fitting a we've fitted already electric fuel pump and regulator and a one-way valve. I can just show you what we've done. So we're under the van, and basically we wanted a better fuel supply, so we've put a inline electric fuel pump on, which is wired to fuse in and powered off the main ignition. And basically it's just if you leave these things as well, they're a lot easier to fire up from leaving for a winter. This customer obviously doesn't use this in the winter, it's too nice a van. You can see we put in a pressure regulator there, which is set to about 1.5, which is ideal really for a 34 ICT. You can adjust it on the nut, and which you can undo and turn quarter turns till you get the right pressure. Just go under. We've also put on a valve, a one-way valve, which means when the van's not running, it just stops. It's almost like like the same sort of valve in theory you'd get on a vacuum system for like a servo. But yeah, you can see there's a built-in filter. Wiring runs through, and there's a little regulator. But it's a lovely little van, this one. So we'll try this fuel pump out. Let's come up and check the emissions. You should listen. Lovely. Can you hear it? Just one little press of the throttle. Obviously a little bit cold. I think that's lovely. That'll do. Ready to go out for the summer and get cruising.